When it comes to home improvement projects, installing new windows can significantly enhance your property's appearance, energy efficiency, and overall value. However, while DIY projects are tempting, choosing professional window installation offers a range of benefits that make it a worthwhile investment, especially for homeowners in Orangeburg. From precision and expertise to long-term savings, here are the top 5 advantages of opting for professional window installation. Expertise and precision. One of the primary benefits of hiring professional window installers in Orangeburg is their unmatched expertise and precision. Professional installers are highly trained and equipped to handle various window styles, including double-hung, casement, bay, and sliding windows. They understand the nuances of proper installation, from accurate measurements to ensuring a perfect seal. Windows that are improperly installed can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and structural damage over time. Professionals have the experience to avoid these issues, ensuring your windows function properly and last for years to come. With expert hands at work, you can have peace of mind knowing the job will be done right the first time. Improved energy efficiency. For homeowners in Orangeburg, energy efficiency is a top priority, especially during extreme summer heat and cooler winters. Professionally installed windows can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency. Experts ensure that windows are installed with a tight seal, eliminating drafts and reducing energy loss. Proper installation prevents conditioned air from escaping, which means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Over time, this can result in lower energy bills, making professional installation a smart financial decision. In addition, modern energy-efficient windows can also reduce UV exposure, protecting your furniture and floors from sun damage. Saves you time and effort. Window installation is a labor-intensive task that requires careful planning, preparation, and execution. Attempting to install windows yourself can quickly become overwhelming, especially without the proper tools and expertise. Hiring professional installers in Orangeburg saves you valuable time and effort. Professionals handle every aspect of the installation process, including removing old windows, installing the new ones, and cleaning up the workspace afterward. This allows you to focus on other important tasks or simply relax while skilled experts complete the project efficiently and with minimal disruption. Enhanced safety. Installing windows, particularly those on higher floors, can be dangerous without the right equipment and knowledge. Professional window installers are trained to follow safety protocols and use specialized tools to handle heavy and fragile window panes. They know how to navigate potential risks, such as falls, injuries, or accidental window damage. By hiring professionals, you avoid putting yourself or your family at risk. Additionally, professional installers are often insured, meaning any accidental damage or injury during the installation process is covered. This extra layer of protection gives homeowners added peace of mind. Increased home value and warranty protection. High-quality window installation can significantly boost the value of your home, making it more attractive to prospective buyers in Orangeburg. Professionally installed windows not only enhance the home's aesthetic appeal but also improve its functionality and energy performance, key factors that buyers look for in a home. Another advantage is warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties often require professional installation to remain valid. By working with certified installers, you ensure your warranty stays intact, providing coverage for any future issues related to the windows. Conclusion: while DIY window installation may seem like a cost-effective option, the benefits of professional window installation in Orangeburg far outweigh the risks and challenges. From expert craftsmanship and energy savings to enhanced safety and home value, professional installers provide unmatched advantages that make your investment worthwhile. If you're planning to upgrade your windows, trust the expertise of professionals to get the job done right, ensuring long-term satisfaction and performance.